All right, so SBI, State Bank of India, is trading right now at the 12-year low. What do I mean by that? The price that we were getting for SBI in 2009 is the price that we are getting for SBI right now. That is really bizarre. So, you know what actually is happening right now? Everyone wants to buy stocks for long-term investments. Of course, everyone is looking at the quality names, the big names. Everyone's been rejecting the banks. Moody's, Fitch, Goldman Sachs. Everyone has downgraded the banking sector and the NBFC sector. So everyone's kind of staying away from this sector, and we have been ignoring State Bank for a while. I totally understand that we will be having NPAs in June and the September quarter, but let's have a look on what is happening exactly on the technical charts. So I'm looking right now at the 1 month chart of SBI. So in 2008, we had the global financial crisis. So my prices were made a new high at that time of 222, and we corrected till 100. So 100 is actually a very, very important support of SBI, and we actually made a pullback towards this, the 160 level that we are talking about right now. So prices went down, made a pullback till 160, fell again, and when the market stabilized, everything was normal. We made a high of 325, and that's actually the level that's been holding true for SBI throughout these 10 years. And in 2011, we had the European debt crisis, Japanese earthquake, tsunami. So from 320, prices corrected till 160 level again. Coincidentally, I don't know. Let's find out. Prices again, markets went up. Again, we had a big crash, a small crash actually. Again, from 160 level, we took a support and bounced back. In 2015, a lot of financial crisis, but talking about the Chinese stock market crash, again 320, the same level of resistance, price falls again to the 160 level for SBI again. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times already this level has been tested in the last about 9 to 10 years. Prices again went high. Things got normal. Everything was going good for SBI, for the stock markets. And in 2020 we had the coronavirus pandemic, and prices again from 320 levels again crashed to the 160 level. So this actually is a very, very important support for State Bank of India, and we are currently trading at 166. So I am expecting a lot of buying, and if there is not a lot of buying, I think we should start buying State Bank of India at this level. Talking about the current PM announcement, so we have been, we'll be getting a 20 lakh crore, 20 trillion crore, the economic package stimulus. So this is all, already going to jump the stock markets. So we'll be seeing a 4 to 5% jump on Nifty. SGX Nifty has already indicated that, it's already factored that in. Premium's already been set in. So tomorrow I'm expecting, Wednesday, I'm expecting a good 9600, 9700 levels for Nifty. And looking forward, I think since we have reached that 9400 resistance that I was talking about earlier, we can easily reach a 10,000 level, which is going to act as a good psychological support. So what I was trying to say, everyone's being downgrading banks and BFCs, but if you actually look at it, 10-year low, 12-year low is of SBI. The price it was trading back then, it is available right now. Tomorrow I'm expecting a good move for SBI. So I think SBI can reach the 220 levels. That's a very good, a very important level for your SBI. So if you're holding SBI, I think if markets go well now, we can get a 220, 230 level. On the downside, if things go bad, coronavirus cases increase, lockdown doesn't ease out, we can get a 100 level for SBI. That's the worst case scenario. I don't see prices go below 100, but I really feel we can get 230 in the short term, considering the package and considering this magical 150, 160 zone. So that's what I think. Let me know what you guys think about SBI in the comments below. I'll see you next time.